outfits here. Neat. Oh, cool. Nothing like a first cast hangout. Destined to fail today. What did I get? Huh, it's all there.
Hey everybody, welcome back. Ben and I, good buddy of mine, we're camped out here on the Deschutes River. We're out here for a few days doing some fly fishing, and I don't know, just trying to enjoy the sunshine that is happening on the eastern side of the Cascade Mountains, and so we're looking forward to it. We did a little bit of fishing today, and didn't really get into anything, and but we didn't really hit it that hard. But tomorrow's gonna be kind of all about that, and yeah, we're just gonna have a nice, cool, fun night. Cool is the optimal word there. It's still supposed to get pretty cold tonight, but we're gonna have a nice big fire. We're gonna cook up some food and sip on some beers and do what we do, and we're gonna take you along with us, so hope you enjoy it. Cheers. What a day. No fish today, but
More tomorrow.
hopefully, yeah.
All fish.
But I'll take all that sunshine every day.
Yeah.
Of course.
I'm gonna smell like a campfire. That I'm excited about.
There are times when I'm always like, because I kind of always smell like a campfire.
Right.
And so there are times when I'm just like, oh, I always smell like a campfire. But then I'm like, oh, I always smell like a campfire. That's what you call the good problems.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is tasty.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll. I think that'll pair tomorrow with the secret lunch that we're gonna do.
Yeah. We got some Rogue Blue as well, so this will go really nice
That's
with that. Yeah.
That's good because I almost bought some.
Yeah. It's just their regular. They didn't have the smoky
Blue.
Yeah.
I've actually found they're kind of overpowers.
Yeah.
How it looking?
Where'd you get the cluck from?
This is from a small little grocery store in my neighborhood called New Seasons.
Okay, yeah.
There we go.
Now we're getting some cook going.
Go back just a little bit. Should be good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a dry rub,
Okay.
and then overnight, and then
You did the dry rub?
part of it was something Jen made up,
Okay.
and then we ran out of that, and then some of it was just like a store-bought stuff.
Right.
But, yeah, should be pretty tasty. And then salad from our amazing CSA.
CSA.
Because we're fancy people. And then it's going to be a pretty easy dinner here, but it's going to be hot and good.
Yeah, easy is good.
With a big boy over there.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's got some heat. All right, I think we're there. Plate.
Bingo.
I'm gonna give you the big boy. Since it's your birthday.
You go, shorty.
And I'm gonna give you the small one. And I'll have the mediums. How's that?
Oh, perfect.
Does that work?
That works.
All right, got some salad over here.
Yeah, I'm not gonna eat that much salad. What is this?
Those are some sunflower
seeds.
just
Yeah.
for some texture.
Yeah, perfect.
Go for it.
Good.
Get in there.
Sure.
Those greens. Yummy. Put the lid back on.
Oh, all good.
Like an amateur.
Yeah. Treat my sauces like a bun, you know. Little on the bottom, little on the top.
There you go.
Right. Shake.
Sweet. All right. What do you think? Sit by the fire?
Perfect, yes. I think plaid will go with your outfit tonight.
Thank you, senor.
Yeah. Eating with ascots.
It's a new YouTube channel right there. Have you tried it yet?
No, but let's have a little leg kick.
Here.
Karate.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Roll that away. Cooling off fast. We're going to sit here, eat this, sit by the fire, relax, have a chill night, and yeah.
Do it again tomorrow.
Do it again tomorrow.
Rinse and repeat.
All right. Hey, well, we made it through the night. It was a cold one, but kept nice and toasty under a bunch of blankets and slept really, really well. We're We're now just waking up, and I'm make some breakfast here pretty soon. Wait till it warms up a little bit, and then head out on the river. I'm really not looking forward to getting in waders. Cold, wet, slightly wet waders. Well, they're not wet on the inside, but yeah, there's just a feeling. The cold wading boots and all that. It's not the most pleasant part of fishing, but sure am glad to be out here though. So, and it is absolutely beautiful. We scored on the weather here, and yeah, we had a nice evening. Just did some catching up around the fire and really just enjoying our time. So now we're looking forward to today and this evening, and of course we're going to take you along with us. But yeah, we're down here at this beautiful campground, and this section that we're at, it's BLM land, and they ask that you only camp on or in designated campgrounds, and you know, it's a pretty fragile area down here, but it sure is beautiful. There's a nice layer of frost over everything, and yeah, we're just gonna go about our day, and we'll take you with you. So, but yeah, I'm not mad about that view. Well, I think we're gonna wrap it up. End of part 1, episode 12. More to come, but it's a good time to wrap this episode up. So we've been having a good time. Fishing's been slow, but that's January out in the Deschutes, so not surprised. We'll get after more, and hopefully, you know, next few days we'll see what we can get. But yeah, I'm having a great time out here with my buddy Ben. You'll see him a lot more in future episodes. Similar interests, similar loves in life, so he's a great camp partner. So I'll do the usual. Like it if you like it. Subscribe if you really, really like it. You know, it all helps. I'm telling you, it really does. It just makes more views on this stuff. Makes this a lot easier to make and get out there. So, you know, it takes a lot of my time, but I love doing it. So, you know, I didn't get a lot of photos this time around. You know, I've just been busy fishing, and this isn't really a photography trip, so I probably won't put a ton of those up, if any, at the end, but there'll be a few maybe. But yeah, we'll call it a wrap, and more to come. But thanks for coming along for the journey. See you again next time. Cheers.